Oh, what is up? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode, and I am so pumped and I'm so excited because it's been such a long time since I made a video, and we're back, and I'm excited. And yeah, there were things which I was going through, rough ups and downs. It feels really good to be back and talking to you guys, which is really amazing, and seeing your beautiful faces is also amazing. And we're going to talk about this, the SonicGear S. Wait. So we have this thing. I'm going to talk about this because I have been using this SonicGear ANC3000 active noise cancellation headphones for maybe 3 or 4 or 5 weeks, maybe a month. This is really good for the price. I mean, I really love it because I use these in different things. I used in making videos. I use these in the funniest reaction tech fails episodes. I use this. I love the music. These are good. They're really good, and it is comfortable. And maybe it's like you can wear this for hours, like 1 hour, 2 hour, but after that, there is a little bit of more compression from both sides in your head, so it's a little bit annoying. But overall, yeah, you can just adjust it from here, so it will fit your head, so no problem at all. And you have the active noise cancellation button switch. It's actually a switch, so it's in here, and you will definitely feel the difference initially. And the things that which is I don't like is actually the play and pause button. So if you need to increase the volume, you have to click this thing just once, right? If you need to skip, you have to hold it. So it should be the other way. As it's completely personal. Than that, so I mostly use this thing with wired. So I don't use this wirelessly, but wirelessly it's really good. The microphone sounds really incredible, and I really recommend these things in your calls. It really sounds great. And here's a clip of a microphone test of this headphone. Alright, this is the microphone test of the SonicGear ANC3000, and it's pretty good, right? It's pretty good. And I forgot to mention, the cable that comes within is really short, so it's really hard to even attach. So it's better if you got a third-party cable, and that will be amazing. So back to the video. To be honest, I never used these things on like public transport. Because I barely went out of my home, so I can't just but in here it's hot. All right, it's hot, so wearing this is a little bit uncomfortable because of the humidity and all stuff, because you're gonna sweat very soon on your ears, and it's really uncomfortable at these points. Other than that, you want to take these things somewhere, like if you're going to get this much of space, which is incredible because you're going to get the case and this much of space. So that's incredible, because this comes only in white, so there's a little bit of problem of dust because I have to clean this. Definitely there are going to be dust particles all over this place, and this is going to be brown in color if you don't take care of this, really. So that is a problem, because this thing should be good and easy for use, but like it's white, so it's
going to get fade away. But now the headband has been a little bit clumsy, you know. It has been clumsy because of the usage, and yeah, it just wear and tear. So but it doesn't like affect the pressure. It's totally fine. So the battery life. So this thing has a really good battery. To be honest, I charged this like twice a week. No, once a week, maybe. Maximally once a week. Then you have the micro USB port here, which is incredible. Still, this thing has 60% of battery. I use them for maybe 1 or 2 hours of listening time, maybe maximum. I don't use this because it's really hard with this humidity. If you are in a cold country, or if you are in a chilling country which is freezing cold, and yes, these are really this will be really good for the price. You know, that's the main thing. The price is the main tag. So yep, these things are really good. I use them really often in everyday activities, calls, Zoom meetings, everything. You know, these things my brother and sisters always use this for their Zoom classes, so which is also incredible. They love this. So you know, they have small heads, and this fits amazing because I have a big head and a big brain. That's not the point. This is really amazing, and yeah, I highly recommend this. This is the review. Like, this is not the review, but yeah, this is the thing. You know, this really looks robust and amazing, and I love it. So this active noise cancellation button is also great. The play and pause to take calls, the buttons, it's beautiful. It's really amazing because the buttons are in the back side of the head. So you just need to just, you know, your hand goes right into this button, so it is really easy, and you will be definitely getting used to it. Like, you know, when you turn on the active noise cancellation, it feels totally different. Like, I haven't charged this thing for such a long time, but still it run with a amazing performance for whole the lifetime of the battery, which is also amazing. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. And yeah, I thought of making a good video from of another thing, but you know, because of this COVID situation and past things that happened, it's a little bit difficult, and running out of the budget too. So thought of doing the review of this one after one month. It's really amazing. If you want to buy this, I will put the link in the description, and you are feel free to buy. And yep, follow me on Twitter or Instagram. You're missing a lot of things, so make sure you go and follow me on Twitter. First Twitter, then if you want, you know, you can just follow me on Instagram too. So that's been it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Yeah, I almost forgot that. How did I forget that? That's the main line of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. Totally free. It's totally free. You can always unsubscribe. So feel free to subscribe. Just, you know, just you watch this. Just, you know, subscribe. So it will make me happy. Really happy. I really appreciate if you subscribe now. Yeah, I mean, now. All right. That's been it. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate for you guys being here, and it's amazing. I highly recommend these things. Really good, really robust. I use them a lot. Alright, then I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day. See you.